Spending so much money on my bike, it's out of sight. Black rims, gold hubs, and the carbon pipes. Got my pike looking loud, nah, it ain't polite. When I pull up to the track, I got the best bike. Looking hard as fuck, I call that shit a Western bike. When I Instagram it, yeah, I'm getting hella likes. Spend more money on my bike than you gon' make until you die. You probably gonna tell your friends your bike is tight as mine. Ain't nobody's 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 bike is tight as mine. Roll to the track one more time now. Hop up in the Ridgie, pull the bike out. 18 on 18 new whips is what I like. On my Mike Alessi shit, but lead a hype. Just wait till I pull up and you see my bike. You gon' see the double trouble carbon PC pipes. You gon' be like, damn bitch, what's the price? I'ma tell you fucking swipe. You need a pipe. You ain't